Hello, this is Tom from Stafford Audi, and today I'll be taking you around this brand new vehicle which we've recently had delivered into stock here at the dealership. This is the Audi Q5 Black Edition 50 TFSIe Quattro with the S-Tronic transmission. This particular model comes in the ultra blue metallic paintwork and looks super sporty and stylish from every angle. From the 2 litre petrol and 14.4 kilowatt hour battery, you get 295 horsepower with 400 Nm of torque, getting you from 0 to 62 in 6.1 seconds and onto a top speed of 148 miles per hour. On the front we have these fabulous LED headlights with LED daytime running lights, offering you maximum visibility regardless of weather condition. And on all four corners, the 20-inch Audi Sport 5 V-spoke star design alloy wheels, finishing anthracite black with a diamond cut finish, offering a lovely contrast to that blue metallic paintwork and working really nicely with the gloss black styling package. With the electrically operated tailgate open, you get 460 litres of boot space, perfect for your everyday essentials, weekend away luggage and weekly family shop, and with the rear seats folded you get 1,400 litres, perfect for those larger and bulkier items. The interior is finished in part leather, part Alcantara for maximum luxury and comfort, with a centre armrest with dual cup holders situated in the centre of the rear bench. Also fitted is tri-zone climate control, so the rear passengers can set a different temperature to those in the front, and Isofix points are fitted on both outer seats so you can safely and securely travel up to 2 child seats in the rear of the vehicle. In the front we have the flat-bottomed S-Line multifunction steering wheel with the Audi virtual cockpit behind, central touchscreen display and dual-zone climate control. Both front seats are sports seats with S-Badge embossing at the top, and they are manually adjustable with 4-way electric lumbar support, so finding your perfect driving position has never been easier. The Audi virtual cockpit can be configured to your preference using the left side of the multifunction controls, giving you maximum control over what is displayed in front of you. On the right is your volume and voice control, so mid-journey phone calls, and underneath to the left your cruise control and speed limiter for precious motorway miles per gallon. From the central touchscreen display you can access Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, as well as DAB and FM radio stations, or simply navigation. Under the climate control is the Audi Drive Select, giving you maximum control of the overall feel and drive of the vehicle, as well as the Park Assist, which brings up front and rear sensors and rear camera to make parking all the easier. Also you have the EV mode, which lets you change what option is available to you, whether you want to conserve or use the battery. Both driver and passenger can be at different temperatures or synchronised if you're in the car on your own, and both front seats have 3 levels of heat to them, perfect for those cold winter mornings. If you like the look of this vehicle, do not hesitate to get in contact or simply come and take a look for yourself.